Hey everybody, this is Jared Snyder, and I have some tips for you to from doing some research on the computer of successful dieters for the holiday parties, like this Thanksgiving party that's coming up, and how to keep healthy and try not to overeat. But I got 5 tips, and I have them all written down. I did some research this morning on it, so I'll just give them to you, and maybe they'll hopefully help you out. Um, Please share with your family and friends if you find this beneficial. 1. Keep up with physical activity. Make sure to get a workout in the day of the gathering. Just make sure that you're still working out. Don't change anything majorly because it's the holidays. Just keep focused on your program, or keep focused on going to the gym or whatever. Just keep your physical activity going. It will help you burn those calories and stay within the realms of what you're working towards. Um, this one is eat small, nutritious snacks before leaving for the party. It helps take the edge off of your appetite and gives you the willpower to resist snacking before you eat the main meal. Um, all those unhealthy hors d'oeuvres or stuff that everybody has at the party before the party starts. It'll just help you not eat so much, and you can just have your awesome dinner. 3 is offer to bring a favorite healthy dish, one you can enjoy without all the extra calories. That's a good one. Maybe you have something that you like that's not calories that you can eat a lot of. Take it with you, and maybe you'll be the only person eating it, but at least it's something good that you liked, and it's healthy for you. So 4, this is a good one. Look over all the food offering before you decide what you are going to eat. So after the meal's done, just look it over, and then if there are foods high in calories, just take a little piece or slice or whatever of it, just for your taste buds. But make sure that you're making that healthy choice of eating. It is a journey, and you know, if you really want to live healthy and um, keep your diet good and everything, you got to do this every day, right? So these are just some tips for you, and I like this one too. 5, get the dessert plate and use a smaller plate. This tip can help you reduce the total amount you eat, as long as you don't go back up for seconds. So smaller plates, you're eating less. So, but that's a good one. Another one is just make sure you got you know, get your protein, fill up on protein, and if there's vegetables, eat the vegetables, you know, and eat those first. Well, even we can go and rewind that. Drink water before you do it, like 16 to 20 ounces of water before you eat. That will help you fill up, and it will help you. It will help you eat less, and but I mean, you can still enjoy your foods. I'm just, you don't want to overeat. You don't want to go the next day and realize that, oh, here we go. Um, but I just wanted to give some tips, and if you find those beneficial and you have any of your own, comment them below in the comments. Hit like if you like this video. But anyways, take care and have a happy Thanksgiving.